Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up boot menu and install Windows on an Acer 4743 laptop. So stay tuned. Insert bootable pen drive, press power button and pressing again and again F12 for boot menu. After coming the boot menu, if the pen drive is at the top of the boot menu, you will need to remove the pen drive at the stage of the Windows installation. If the pen drive is not opened, the Windows installation will start again from the beginning. If it is at the bottom, you do not need to remove the pen drive. So we will select the pen drive and press enter. After coming this, next install Windows. I don't have product key. Select Windows. Next. Check mark. Next. Install Windows. There are many partitions here. I have a problem with my hard drive, so I will delete all the partitions. However, if you want to delete them, you be sure to back up the data from your hard drive. Otherwise, the data will be lost. Partition deletion is done. Now I will create a C drive and install Windows. I will create the remaining partitions from disk management after installing Windows. We will click Next. Select language. Next. Next. I don't have internet. Limited. Put in a username. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.